Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, we have given an acceleration of a particle that is starting from rest as a is equals to 6 into t. We have to find the displacement at t is equals to 2 seconds. So we can say that given data is that is acceleration is equal to this is 6 t. Now we know that acceleration is written as that is d2x upon this is dt square and this is equals to 6t. Now if I integrate on both sides, so we can say that this will comes out to be dx by dt, and this is equals to 6t square by 2, that is equals to 3t square. Now if I again integrate it, so we can say that again integrating on both sides, so we can say that this is integration of dx is equal to this is integration 3t square into dt. So from here we get the position that is x is equal to this is t cube. So we can say that the position at time t is equal to 2 second, the position x is equal to this is 2 cube, and this will comes out to be 8 meter. So this is the answer of our given question, and for that we can say option B is the correct choice. Thank you.